Hey guys, good morning. It's May 22nd, 2017. It's currently Monday. What I'm doing this Monday is going to work, and then I have a Bible study. And after Bible study, I'm going to go home, eat dinner, probably edit this vlog because I'm going back to the library to help with an event. The library is staying open 2 extra hours for those high schoolers that are studying for exams in the schools nearby. So, yep. So I'm going to hang around, and one person in charge was like, yeah, it'd be like babysitting. And I was kind of like, okay. So I just got to make sure they're quiet and not being crazy. Basically what it is, I guess. Yep. So, oh, and fun fact, my mom bought this bread, and I can eat this bread on the meal plan I'm on. So yesterday I had 5 pieces of the bread. This morning I had 2 more pieces of the bread. So I think I have a problem, or I really, really missed bread. One of those 2 things, because it's amazing bread. It's just amazing. I think I have 2 pieces at a time with the carb meal. Very happy about this. All right, let's get this day started. I'm walking and eating lunch with Mom. It's nice out. Hi, vlog. Can you see the eggs in there?
Bubby just rolled over because she wouldn't come over.
Sheesh.
Couldn't have been that interesting.
No, she's pooping. She's mad at you. So, there's a lot of writing I want to do, but I also need to read a lot of books I got. So I set a timer for like about 30-ish minutes to read, and I'm almost done. And then I'm gonna do some world building because I have a really great idea, and I just need to let some of that out of my brain or it's going to explode everywhere. So, yes. I will get these books done. It's my summer goal, because you should have goals in the summer. You should have goals all the time. Anyway, I have my chocolate drink I like so much in a book. It's nice outside. And Charlie currently right now is being quiet. Let's hope that lasts. So, let's continue doing things.
Will you get to the point before I kill you?
I decided to hit it with a spray of water that I had saved for the car. When I hit this spider, millions of little baby spiders went all over the place.
No.
That's a true story.
Then what did you do?
And the mother said, I started some more. And the mother, she went into the lawn, and then I passed out. I don't know what happened.
You didn't pass out. What happened? Did you kill the babies?
I did not kill the babies. I felt sorry for the babies. I did not know what I did. I wouldn't have done it if I knew what I was going to do. I haven't slept.
Yes, you have.
Since then.
How?
That was a long time.
How big was the spider?
Well, after 10,000 babies were removed from its back, she wasn't all that big.
Okay, I didn't ask you that, did I?
She was this size. She was the size of a quarter.
A quarter.
Hyena laugh from her.
Just your face.
Whose face?
Papa's face.
Honey, show us your face. Okay. That's all right.
Do you want to see my new Bible?
Yes, please. How come you got a new one, baby?
Because I felt like I wanted a new one.
And
The print is way too small.
Oh, sweetie.
Well, for
but look
you.
how beautiful it is.
It's pretty.
This is leather.
Really?
How was the
It feels it's like a
Jonathan, Jonah's,
Hey,
Ben,
kid.
and Sean's graduation party?
It was good. There's lots of food.
Oh, was there?
Do it.
Listen to the sound of wisdom. There you go. It's a Bible. Hello.
Guys, I opened up the thing and there's a spider and I screamed. No, I'm not touching that. No. It's gonna have to come open the garage door for me. No. Look, he didn't even wait for me. He just opened it. Hi, babe.
Of course I'll eat the sandwich.
There was a spider on the pad, so I didn't open it. I opened up the keypad, and there was a spider in it.
Oh.
Cottage cheese, and I got some rice and some chicken in it, and I'm so excited to eat it when I get home. So, always remember happiness. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.